Hello designers and creatives, and welcome to my space. My name is Son of Man. Today's video we are going to be learning how to create Instagram logo similar like this on PixelLab. In case this is your first time viewing our channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share our video, and let others learn from our content too. Thank you, and let's get started. So first of all, I need to get rid of the my workspace. Okay, and after this I'm going to go here and make sure that my sketch is brought back to visibility. So after this, I've told you all the time that immediately you import your sketch into your PixelLab, the first thing you need to do is to work on your grid lines, right? So you draw your grid lines to fit into where you want to vectorize. So after this, now I'll go ahead to start my vectorization. So just follow me up step by step and see how I was able to do that. So thank you. For the gradients, okay, the first color, this is the color code that I used. I don't know exactly the color code for Instagram, but I use this. And then for the center one here, I used there is the color code, right? Okay. And then for the last one, this is the color code too. So if in case you want to copy the color code and just use it for your own, so you get the exact color that I'm using now. So this is how we got to this point. Then we can go ahead to select the two of them now and then group them together as one object. We have gotten our Instagram logo and then it was very easy and it was perfect. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and then see you on my next video. Don't forget that this is Create Vision Pixel on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed to, do well to subscribe, like and share our video, and let others learn from our content too. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye from here. Namaste.